No. Daniela, me vas a poner tu slime en la...
No,
la
Daniela. No se hace.
Okay. So now... So guys, I had to wash my hair because my sister literally put slime in my hair, but now it's not clear. So I'm gonna tell you the story. So like my sister was like, she like was on this like chair bucket thing, and then she was gonna fall down, and she had slime on her hands, and she sticked it on here, and then she fell down and did like this, and then there was like slime all over my scalp. So yeah, and also, so I'm gonna tell you a tip that you could do whenever like your clothes has slime or your hair gets slime or your eyebrows. So you gotta add hot water on it to then take it off. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna make some bubbles. So that's why I'm like turning the camera. Okay, that's like sideways bent. Okay, ready? Yeah. Okay, I made a mini bubble. Did you guys see that? Okay, so this is like really sticky slime, but it could still make a bunch of bubbles. So yeah, like it's like I don't know what time it is. Let me check. It is currently 6:28. So I'm gonna make some bubbles for you guys. So I just made a bubble, but okay, I'm gonna pop it. This slime actually doesn't let your bubbles pop at the first second. So you gotta let it sit for a little bit and then it will pop by itself. Or if you want, you can just pop it yourself. I'm gonna let that bubble sit there to make it clear because it's gonna stay clear. So yeah, I'm gonna wait for a little bit. It's getting clear. It's getting clear. Do you guys see this? Wait, I'm gonna let it sit for a little bit. Be right back. I'm gonna let it sit. So guys, this is like part 2 of it, and it's actually pretty clear now. Like, do you guys see this? Whoa. So now we're gonna make another one. And dang it. See, it goops onto my hands. It literally goops onto my hands. So then I gotta do this. Yeah. Make it unstick to my hands to then get it, scratch it, make a bubble with it because I love this slime. So yeah, I love it. I love it. There's a small little bubble here. That doesn't want to pop. Okay. So now I'm going to put it back in the container. Or should I add more stuff to it? Should I add like more soap and some beads and stuff? Or some glitter? I should add glitter to my slime. Yeah, I'm going to add some glitter. I'm going to add these 2 glitters. I'm going to add this one and this one. Wait, I'll be right back. Ow. Wait guys, I'm going to be right back. So guys, I'm back. I just had to like clean my hands. So now, time to add the glitter. Glitter is really easy to add on the slime. If you have never had glitter slime before, it's the best thing ever in the whole world. And by the way, I'm using some blue turquoisey color of glitter and some little silver stars. We also have some gold glitter, but I don't want to use it for this one because the slime is blue themed and like silver and white themed. But I don't have any white glitters, so I'm just gonna add these little sparkles. These are like little these are like little circle shaped glitter. So yeah, I'm gonna mix it all in. How did that thing get under there? I don't know, but okay, I'm gonna get it. Okay. Here we got like a little knife. But I'm just gonna get the little cap to this. It fell down on the ground. Okay, I'm just gonna leave it here because it could stand up. So now I'm gonna this is gonna be a close up to it. So I'm gonna close my camera up. This is a close up of my slime to just spread the glitter on there. Whoa. Okay, now I'm gonna put it in circle motion, so I'm gonna put my camera. Whoa, okay, that just fell down. But okay, I'm back into the motion, and I'm stirring the glitter up into my slime because it's a really cool butter. Well, it's not a butter slime exactly, but it is like really cool feeling, I guess. That's what I would say. A cool feeling to it because it's all glittery and like frosty themed, I guess. That's what I would say. Because it's like a frosty. That's what I call it, frosty slime, because it's like a frosty. Have you ever like seen the movie Frosty the Snowman? Yeah. Frosty the Snowman. I loved that movie. And I actually still watch it. Like, I love that movie. It's like so nice. So yeah, by the way, I'm gonna make another bubble with my slime because it's a really clear slime, I guess. What? It's not that clear, but it is clear. Check my YouTube channel at Daphne and Daniela's World. It's like a really fun channel. Like, there's other videos that are not mine because like all the videos that I like are like on my channel. I don't know why they do that, but okay. Whatever. Okay, so, whoa. There's like a little chunk of slime that I have. Oh, my slime is so... What? I got a perfect bubble. And it just turned into a small bubble. But did you guys see that? Yeah, I bet you did. But okay, this is cool. And, yeah. You. Yes! I keep on getting really, really big bubbles. This is really, really gooey slime. But I'm gonna reach back for this slime container, and then I'm gonna put the slime in the container. Bye-bye, frosty slime. It has like some of these little glitters that are the gold stars. These are like little gold stars. So now I'm gonna put this back and clean my hands because, yeah. I'll be right back. I'm gonna pause the video to clean my hands. So now, guys, I cleaned my hands. So now I'm gonna move on to the next slime. So I don't know what slime to do. I should do the fluffy slime because I want to add some more stuff in it, like more soap. This is more like a soap and glue slime. It's actually soap, some activator, and the glue. It's like a 3-ingredient slime that everybody basically has at home. Like, you could use any glue. You could use slime glue, any craft glue. Because what glue I use for these slimes are these little glues. So here I got some clear glue. Just gonna add a little bit. Whoa, a lot of it. A lot of clear glue. Whoa. Ew. Have you guys seen Dr. Phil? And like, what would you do? I love that show on YouTube. It's on YouTube. And it's called What Would You Do? What Would You Do? And Azzyland too. I love Azzyland. Sniper Wolf, I like her, but she says like a lot of bad words. So like if I had to rate her 1 out of 10, I would definitely say a 1, because like when her videos pop up after Azzyland's videos, I don't know why that happens, but that always happens to me. I just take it off because I do not like her channel. She says a bunch of bad words, like a bunch. So yeah, could be. Okay, so I'm gonna add more. This is a ruby. I'm gonna try make a bubble with this slime because, like, yeah, I want to. So wait, guys, I'm gonna add some more activator. You could use any activator. I'm just using this little bit that's left of my activator that I do not like. I do not like this clear activator. I use Tide, Extra, all of those weird stuff, but I do not like. Okay, I do not like that slime. So, okay, the glitter's going everywhere. Okay, this little glitter jar just went. Okay, guys. So, play with this slime. Since I got a bunch of stickiness on my hands, and this one's a hard slime, I'm gonna make it more stretchy because, yeah, who doesn't like a stretchy slime? Who just likes a hard, unnecessary, overactivated slime? I'm gonna show you how to fix this really hard slime. I'm literally struggling to stretch this. I'm struggling to stretch this. So I'm gonna show you how to fix a slime. So what you will need for this slime that's so hard, super duper hard, you will need some glue. So, got some glue here. Got some glue. Some clear glue, just a little bit. You don't want that much to not make it that over glued. Or, if you don't have any glue, I bet everybody has lotion at their house. So what the lotion does to your slime makes it softer and nicer. So I got a big jug of lotion here. Any lotion. So, I'm gonna add a few pumps of that lotion. Ow, that hurt. Okay, so I'm gonna add a little bit of that lotion. Just a little bit of that lotion. Yes, I make up my own songs. Yeah. And if you guys have Facebook, you guys should check my mom's. Well, if you have my mom's thing. Well, yeah, you can see me singing this song. I don't remember what song it was, but I was singing a song, and it was so nice. I loved that song. So now it's stretchier. So we're gonna keep on adding lotion. You could just do this and squirt some on the table and then just pass it right on top of it, but okay. Just gonna pass the lotion right on top of the slime. You could just roll it inside. It's like dough, rolling dough into, rolling dough into like flour, because you always need some extra flour on your pizza dough to make it extra crusty and nice. So this is, this is the same. It's actually really stretchy. I'm not struggling to stretch it anymore. Really, really soft and stretchy. So what the lotion does to your slime, it makes it softer and way much stretchier. Like, way much stretchier. So this is a slime that my sister, like, sticked on me. Like, sticked on my head. So she mixed, like, a bunch of my slime with this slime. So now it's chunky and hard to mix up. So again, I'm going to be adding, I'm going to be adding some lotion, the exact same lotion that I used. It's cocoa butter lotion. It says, normal to dry skin, non-greasy, with pure cocoa butter. Oh my god. And then it says, en français, in French. It says it. Okay. Time to add some lotion to this bad boy. Time to add some lotion to this bad boy. To just mix it. To just mix it. See, I make, like, whatever I say, I make it a song. Like, wow. And I also like Brent's channel and stuff. Like, I love a bunch of people on YouTube. So I'm going to keep on adding lotion because it's actually working. It's actually really working. I'm actually adding like a whole pile to it. It doesn't look like that much on camera, but it is a lot. Well, not that much, but it is a lot. It's a lot. See that? See that? Do you see that? Ready? I'm gonna explode. It's like a pimple. Like, I'm exploding a pimple. So I'm gonna show you guys how I explode a pimple in slime. A slime pimple. Slime lotion pimple, I guess that's what I'm gonna call it. Like, I literally talk a lot in these videos. Like, a lot. So yeah. And have you guys checked out, like, my other videos of me cooking? Because I really loved to make that video with, like, the voiceover. I really love it. I'm putting a lot of lotion to make it, like, nice and smooth and stretchy. So now I'm going to make a slime pimple. You ready? All the lotion's in there. Ready? Yeah. Oh, do you see that? Okay, wait. Ready? Now I'm gonna get it. Yes, I got it. Okay, I got the lotion slime pimple. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell, so you will be notified every time I post a new video. Share, like, and subscribe, please. I'm not saying it to, like, bother you guys, but I just, like, want a bunch of likes. Because, what? Okay. So, guys, Charli D'Amelio is, like, the star of TikTok. Like, the star of TikTok. And, like, yeah. You should follow me on there. And also, I love y'all. Okay, bye. Bye, guys. And by the way, this slime now can make a bunch of bubbles. What? This is, like, I think part 3 of the video. Yeah. It's like part 3. I don't know. Ew. or like part 4. I don't not know, but okay. I'm gonna make a bunch of bubbles. Oh, what? No way! I just did that. No way! I just did that. So you definitely have to get cocoa butter lotion if you live here in Canada, like me. You definitely gotta get cocoa butter lotion. Cocoa butter lotion. You have to get it. You have to get it because it makes your slime even better. So it makes your slime make more like bubbles, and like it makes your slime more stretchier, I guess. So I'm gonna keep on mixing it and making it like more stretchier to make bubbles because it makes it all sticky. But that's okay because the only thing that I like about slime is that it's stretchy, really stretchy. It sometimes sticks to me, and that's like what I like. And it smells good if you add the coconut butter and the coconut butter lotion. You can't add just straight coconut butter, but whoa. I like made a humongous bubble. Like I can't believe I made a huge bubble like that. Well, bigger than that because it wasn't that big. It was bigger than that, like bigger than that. Okay, so put that over there. Put that over there. Oh, that's glue. Is that glue or slime? Okay, that's slime. Okay. Oh, whoa! That was cool. That was like 100% cool. Like, don't tell me that it's cool. Like, it's cool. Tell me that's cool. Like, it's super duper cool. Super cool. Like, I keep on making bubbles because this slime is the best slime of all. Like, this slime is the best slime of all. Because you can make a bunch of bubbles with it. And it's like sticky, but that's okay if it's sticky because it still makes bubble. Like, that's what I said. I love making bubbles with slime. That's like my favorite part of playing with slime. I almost got a humongous one. Like, come on. This slime almost always cheats. Like, cheats. Like, this is the funnest video ever. So goopy. Goopy. Ew, goopy. So yeah, guys, I might do, whoa, that was a big bubble. But okay, I might do a video where like I like do 100 layers of nail polish, and I mix up all these slimes together and make a big ginormous batch. So yeah, I'm gonna be really happy if I do that because like I just wanna like have some fun with it and make a ginormous bubble with the ginormous slime. Okay guys. So I might say bye, but not forever. Oh yeah, for Mother's Day, I made this card for my mom that has like a funny like joke, and it was Happy Mother's Day, and then I put the like funny part, like the joke, on the other side of the card, and it said Happy Dog Day. It's not Dog Day, it's Mother's Day. Dog Day is on Monday. Love you, Mama. That's what it said. And it's like the best card ever. So yeah. I'm gonna take this slime off of me because I gotta like go. Oh wow. It's like overflowed with slime. Like overflowed with slime. Whoa. This looks like a milkshake, I guess. A milkshake. An overflowed milkshake. Milkshake brings all the boys to the yard, and they're like, it's better than yours. Goodbye, guys.